Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to be changing out the air filter element for your air filter box. Very easy DIY, takes you about 10 minutes ish or so. First and foremost, you want to pop your hood. My goodness, whoops. Alright. Looking at it from the top, the oil air filter box is right here. Alright, so to get started on this, no tools is needed. You can just use your hands. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just drop them down. Spread this upward, or pull this upward, I mean. And there it is, right there. Go ahead and take mine out and take a peek at it. Alright, so you could loosen all this up if you wanted to, but you really, honestly, you don't have to. So you can just kind of lift it up like this. And it slides right out. So you can compare the two. This is the one I just took out. It's pretty white. Can't really tell from this angle. Let me back up, but it's a little bit brown at the top. I'm just servicing my truck right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and change it anyways because it is cheap insurance. But you do everything back in reverse to get it reinstalled. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. See you in the next one.